Hi friends, welcome to Geeks for Geeks. This is a video tutorial on how to print common characters of two strings in alphabetical order. Let's have a look at the problem statement. Given two strings, print all the common characters in lexicographical, that is alphabetical order. If there are no common letters, print -1, all letters are lowercase. Let's have a look at some examples. If the input strings are geeks and for geeks, then the output will be EEGKS as the letters that are common between the two strings are E two times, K one time, and S one time. Hence, the lexicographical output is EEGKS. Let's look at the solution. The idea is to use character count arrays. First, we count the occurrences of all characters from A to Z in the first and the second string. Then store these counts in two arrays, A1 and A2. Then find the minimum of the occurrence of the character in both the strings and print the letter that many number of times. Now let's look at the implementation. First, we initialize two arrays of length 26 to store the occurrence of the letters alphabetically for each string. Then we traverse through the strings and fill the respective count arrays A1 and A2. Now, if a common index is non-zero, it means that the letter corresponding to that index is common to both strings. That is, if a1i is not equal to 0 and a2i is not equal to 0, then find the minimum of the occurrence of the character in both the strings and print the letter that many number of times. We have two loops here. The time complexity seems to be order n square. However, if you look closely, you would find that in the worst case, the traversal on the array is dependent on n, length of the largest string only. The outer loop run only a fixed number of times. Therefore, the complexity should be order n. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching. Please leave us your likes and comments.